Good morning. Kumusta po kayo lahat? At I'm here in the park in our city in Liverpool, and I'm doing some walking exercise. At ngayon lang si Lolo nakapag-vlog again dahil I'm busy from work. So papakita ko po sa inyo the beauty of our city here in Liverpool. So, but medyo maaga pa. Our time here is 9:30 in the morning. I like this tree. Yeah. They trim it circularly. Yan po. Ang ganda. Yan. Yan po. Another one. I'm so amazed on how they trim this one. Went up to the top to make the circular trimming. Yan. Yan. Yun naman po yung mga exercise, mga equipment na ka-establish there. Yun po. Marami po nag-exercise. Hindi po masyadong marami at the moment. Dahil po ay medyo malamig. It's getting winter sa amin. So, ayan po yung aming beautiful city. Medyo mainit, but malamig na napilisimoy ng hangin. Naka-jumper po ako. Mainit po pero malamig. Ito. Yung laking kahoy sa So, yan po yung kahoy na itating po ng winter ay nalalaglag po yung kanyang mga dahon. Yan. Then during spring and summer, it's going back again with the green leaves, with flowers. Yan. It's an amazing tree ito. Pagdating ng winter, ganito po siya. Pero hindi po ito, they're not dead tree. But when winter, spring and summer, it started the leaves coming out. Yeah. Thank you po for watching sa simple lang na vlog ni Lolo. Sana ay magustuhan po ninyo. Bye. Thanks.